The river Nile. The word Nile originates from a Latin word Nilus, which means a river valley. It was named by a British explorer, John Speke, between the year 1827 to 1864. He was the first European to visit Lake Victoria and to identify it as the source of the Nile. The river is geographically located in Africa. It is the longest river in Africa and has historically been considered the longest river in the world, though these have been contested by research suggesting that the Amazon River is slightly longer. With a total length of about 6,650 kilometers, that is 4,130 miles, between the region of Lake Victoria and the Mediterranean Sea, while the Amazon River in the South America is slightly longer, measuring about 6,800 kilometers, that is 4,224 miles. The Nile is among the longest rivers on Earth. The river runs through 11 countries, that is Burundi, Tanzania, Rwanda, Kenya, Uganda, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Sudan, Ethiopia, South Sudan, and finally Egypt. The main sources of river Nile are two, that is the White Nile, which flows from the Lake Victoria, located in West Africa, and the Blue Nile, which flows from the Lake Tana in Ethiopia. This river generally flow due north, but in the Sudan, it makes a huge loop bend that is really remarkable because the river is flowing through the Sahara Desert in Africa, which is the largest and the driest desert on the face of Earth. Water in the river Nile is home of variety of species, plants and animals. Some of the animals include crocodile, hippopotamus and many others. There are also distinct fish species in this river, the Nile perch, lungfish, tigerfish, etc. This river provides water for other wild animals, especially those in the desert, and the river supplies water that is used in irrigating farms and for domestic use because the Sahara region is a desert which totally don't receive rainfall because the desert, so they use this water in irrigating their farms and also feeding their livestock. The population depending on this water is about 486 million people, mainly for agriculture, especially in Ethiopia and Egypt. Initially, the river used to flood in case there was high rainfall, causing a lot of disaster and destruction, which led to displacement of many people, but this is no longer an issue because it is controlled. These have been achieved through construction of dams such as the Aswan High Dam across the river Nile in southern Egypt, which regulates the amount of water and also source of power through generation of hydroelectric power. This has also contributed toward inland water transport, where vessels are used in transportation along the river. At the end, the River Nile drains its water in the Mediterranean Sea through many channels, forming the Nile Delta. That is classified as acute delta and tooth shape. The river discharges approximately 200,000 cubic feet per second, passing through very dry desert, hence high evaporation rate. A lot of water is also used in irrigation and animals that live near. Thank you. Please leave a like.